Okay, to replace the handle on your GE stove, open the door. Then with the Torx number 15, remove the 2 screws at the top of the door. And when you take the screw out, take off the metal sleeve. And the door will split in half. Here's the metal sleeve that's on the inside of the door that fits over the screw. Now remove the screw on the inside. And remove the screw from the other side. And the handle will come off. Now get your new handle, line up the tabs with the 2 holes. And the screw, I'm using a 1/4 ratchet. Then close the door a little bit, put the screw through, put on the metal sleeve. Then line up the screw with the hole in the front side of the door. And then this first one, tighten it, but not all the way. Do the same thing on the other side. And now you can fully tighten both screws. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.